YouTube, get that recording. Okay, well, how's everybody doing? It is a windy one out there. That is for certain. Very, very, very windy out there. Got some gusts around 13 miles per hour right now. We've had gusts up to 25 miles per hour so far. But anyway, let's get started with the video. Looking at the current conditions out there, of course, that for some reason did not load up correctly. Let me close this out and it'll probably load up correctly. So yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, currently got a gust right now out of the west, or the east southeast rather, at 6 miles per hour. We just had a gust of 22 just a minute ago. Very windy out there. It's currently 59 degrees out. Temperatures dropped just a bit. Rainfall wise, well, we haven't had any yet, but we will definitely get there. Lots of rainfall will be on the way. Let's move on to Doppler radar and take a look at that. Of course, we've got some shower thunderstorm activity just to our northwest, which is going to be up around Florence, up in Tennessee as well, Lawrenceburg, Tennessee. Overall, nothing in our area yet. There's our system out to the west and northwest, bringing a lot of winds out. I mean, it's really, really windy out there. But our area right now, nothing as we speak right now. Of course, that will change as we get into the next overnight hours anyway. Reminder to everybody, there is a wind advisory in effect as well, so just letting everybody know that. Through 7 a.m. Tuesday, could have some wind gusts 40, possibly 50 miles per hour in some spots. I'm looking at Fort Payne is showing 49 miles per hour. I'm going to say our area probably close to that, maybe 30, 40, 50 mile an hour possible. All of northern Alabama and southern middle Tennessee, of course. Secure your loose objects and use extreme caution if you're driving high-profile vehicles. Now, timing, when is this expected? When do we expect this to get in here? There's, of course, we expect high chances, 80 to 100% chance of showers as storms bringing locally heavy rainfall and a low chance of a few strong thunderstorms. Not hardly any energy out there. It's very weak, very, very little, if any. Looking at the models earlier, they didn't look very good, but we'll take a look at them again. Anyway, late this evening into the early morning hours on Tuesday, where all of North Alabama and southern middle Tennessee. Damaging winds, low confidence, heavy rainfall, flooding, low confidence. Timeline, northwest Alabama, Florence, Russellville area, 11 p.m. to 4 a.m. Around Huntsville, Coleman, Fayetteville, 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. and northeast Alabama, 1 a.m. to 6 a.m. Stevenson, Fort Payne, areas like that. So that's what we expect. It's going to get very windy tonight. Now, let's take a look at what we do have for tonight. Around an 80 to 100% chance of showers and thunderstorms tonight. Very heavy rainfall, gusty winds possible with all that stuff as it moves in. Could see 40 to 50 mile per hour gusts. Most areas stay around 30 to 40, but some of them higher elevations could see some higher wind gusts than that, maybe 50 miles per hour. Now, moving on for tomorrow. The front starts to move on to the east a bit, but still in northeast Alabama, 80 to 100% chance of rain and thunderstorms until that system gets on out of here. And taking a look at the 5-day outlook, these are, of course, brought to you by the National Weather Service Huntsville. That is their graphics. We like to use the most updated information and precise information you could possibly get, and this is definitely as precise as you can get. So Tuesday, of course, anywhere between 60 to 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Very windy on Tuesday. Of course, the wind advisory is in effect through 7 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for sustained winds 20 to 30 miles per hour and gusts up to 50 to 55 miles per hour. So very good chance of some gusty winds. Medium to high chances of showers and thunderstorms are possible Tuesday morning as that cold front moves on through the area. Storms are forecast to gradually end from west to east by the afternoon hours. Highs will be in the 60s and 70s with overnight lows in the 30s and 40s through most of the week. So looking pretty good. Wednesday we start off with some clouds. Overall clouds and sunshine. Highs 63 to 69, lows 40 to 43. Thursday about the same. Looks like it's just a little bit cooler on Thursday. Some sunshine and clouds, high 62 to 65, low 37 to 39. Friday will be sunny, high 68 to 71. Beautiful day on Friday. And low 42 to 49. Saturday, high 73 to 76. Some clouds, sunshine, low 47 to 53. Next chance of rainfall that I did see was coming in on Sunday of next weekend. So keep that in mind, and we'll move on to look at the temperatures, what we expect. The 6 through 10 day temperature outlook, valid Sunday the 31st to Thursday the 4th of April already. above average temperatures. So it's going to warm back up between that time period. So it will get warm and feel rather nice out. 8 through 14 day moving forward, Tuesday the 2nd of April to Monday the 8th of April. Sorry, it takes me a minute to catch on to that sometimes. Looks like about average temperatures up here in the north, and to the south of us looks like it will be a little bit above average, but overall it'll be warm out. Rainfall outlook, above average chances of rainfall the 31st to Thursday the 4th of April, and then the 8 through 14 days shows a bit above average chances, a little bit higher above average chances between the 2nd, Tuesday the 2nd of April to Monday the 8th of April. So it's going to be rainy. Looking at the total precipitation or rainfall, what we expect 24-hour rainfall amounts looks like anywhere between 1.3, possibly some higher amounts to our southwest, maybe 2 inches of rain there. There is we do expect some heavier amounts of rainfall further to our west and southwest, basically. Moving on to take a look at the NAM. Now this is going to give us, if it updated correctly, which it probably didn't if I had to guess. Let me take a look at this one more time. And yes, that did not update. So sometimes this thing's been giving me some problems lately and not updating. And I'm not sure what that's about, but we'll skip that and go on to that heavy rainfall that I was just talking about. Excessive rainfall outlook is going to be in effect for Monday. Areas to our west, slight risk of that excessive rainfall. Areas in the northeast and north Alabama, marginal threat of that excessive rainfall. Basically what that means, we could get some heavier rainfall with that system. Let's look at that high resolution rapid refresh. That's the model I was wanting to get to there. Showing the system moving on through again. Let's take a look. See, Tuesday, moving on through northeast Alabama around 14. Let me take a look at that. That looks like 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Is what it looks like. I'll take another look at it as it moves on through. Looks like it enters northwest Alabama around midnight, 1 a.m.-ish. Moves on through northeast Alabama. Looks like I'm going to say between probably 6 o'clock and 9 a.m., 8 a.m., somewhere right in there. So that's the high resolution rapid refresh is usually pretty accurate on those. So looking at the Cape, now this is the energy I was talking about. There's just a little bit. As you can see, there's just a little bit of gray that comes in Tuesday as this moves on through. So not a lot of any energy. There's just a little bit of energy. So a low threat of some strong thunderstorms. Now the wind shear, it's going to be some pretty good wind shear. Now check this system out right here. As it moves on through, we get some high pressure trying to set back in. As it moves on through, the jet stream dives further to the south and east. And then we start to get high pressure trying to set back in again. But still some clouds throughout the week. But this air mass here, actually the jet stream there, the wind shear moves on out of here about later on. So I think later on in the week there to move on out around let's see, Wednesday. Looks like around Thursday, but overall the highest of the winds will get on out of here tomorrow as this system moves on through. Now the SPC, let's see what they've got for us. Right now the Storm Prediction Center has moved all threats of severe weather further to the south and southwest of our area with a enhanced risk level 3 out of 5 over in looks like southern Mississippi, southwestern Mississippi, western Mississippi area. And Alabama, we have a slight risk area, pretty large area in Mississippi, but it only covers Tuscaloosa and Mobile areas in far southwestern Alabama. Now, as we go on toward Florence, possibly Birmingham, Montgomery, Greenville, there's a level 1 out of 5, which is a marginal risk of some strong to severe thunderstorms there. But areas to the northeast, we have nothing really here. So that being said, that is what I've got for tonight. Hope everybody enjoyed the update, and we'll get ready to wrap this up for YouTube here. God bless. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you like it. We hope you do like our content and stay weather aware. Take care. We'll see you on the next one there.